Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. Today we will take a digraph test. Kids, we have learned some words and read some sentences with digraph sh and ch. So let's take a test to check ourselves. All you have to do is to identify the pictures and choose the correct digraph. If you want to go through the digraphs before taking the test, click on the link above. Ship. The answer is digraph sh. 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 Ship. It's a ship. Chocolates. The answer is digraph ch. Yummy chocolates. Digraph sh. Shh. Shh. Brush. Brush. Shirt. So the answer is digraph sh. Shh. It's a green shirt. Watch. The answer is digraph ch. Ch. Watch. Watch. Shout. So the answer is digraph sh. Shh. Shout. The man is shouting. Mushroom. Digraph sh. Shh. Digraph sh. Mushroom. Chair. Did you get the answer, kids? It's digraph ch. 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 Chair. teacher. Which digraph can you find in the word teacher? The answer is digraph CH. Ch, ch. He is a teacher. Shelf. So the answer is digraph SH. Shh. Shh. It's a bookshelf. Shell. The answer is digraph SH. Shh. Shell. A colorful shell. Chain. Chain. So the answer is digraph CH. Ch, ch, chain. Great job, kids. Hope you enjoyed taking this test. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.